Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to tell you in Carrom Pool how to use your diamonds. So for the new people, they might think that there is no use of diamonds, but there is a lot of use with them. Now I have a chest here, so it has open now for 48 diamonds. So please don't do that, guys. Don't waste your diamonds. You have one more best trick for doing for opening chests. So first go to equipments. So after going to equipments, you can go to powers. Or you have to go to pucks or stickers. I'm going to stickers. So in the stickers, go to which striker you want. So just think that I want this. So here you have get more pieces from chests. So here you have to use the diamonds, guys. Now if you want to know what you will get in this, so press the I button. Then you will get up to 9,000, up to 30 diamonds, and up to 29 to 34 pieces, and 10 rare pieces of stickers. So guys, in the first chest you will get up to, these all are up to, and the pieces and rare things guaranteed, this will be guaranteed the 10 rare pieces, and it is up to 9,000. So for the next one, so we've seen the pro chest, now it's the master chest. Now here you will get up to 18,000 money prize, and up to 70 diamonds, and 44 to 50 pieces of cards, and 11 epic guaranteed. And so this is for master chest, and we'll see for the supreme chest, it is 50k, 50,000, and up to 180 diamonds, and 64 to 69 pieces, and 25 epic. So now we are going to compare these three. So in these three, the first one, which is the pro chest, is waste. So if you have 400 or 500 diamonds, then don't take that. Now I'll go to we have to compare the second and third chest. So if we compare up to 50,000, so you might get 48,000 also. So one time I tried it, I got 48k, and the diamonds I did not remember, but the pieces and all I got it really guaranteed. So this has 64 to 69 pieces, right? And this has 44 to 50 pieces. So if you buy this 2 times, then you will get 88 to 100 pieces you will get, and 70 diamonds they gave here, and in this they gave 180. So if you take 70 diamonds, I have 400 diamonds now. So 70 into 3 you have to do. So then it will be 21, sorry, 210, and in the supreme chest it is 180. So you can really understand that which is better now only. So the guaranteed pieces of this is 25, and the second one it is 11. So 11 into 3 you have to do. So it will be 33, guys. So now tell me which is better. So isn't this better or this? So this is better, guys. If you have 600 diamonds, if you have 1000 diamonds, then it's better to buy this. So now I'm going to buy this and show you the things, the prices which I get. So let's see it, guys. So I'm buying it. So for 200 I'm buying it. I'm so scared. So I have paid my 200 diamonds. Okay, I got only 14,000 coins. So as they told up to, I got only 14,000 and 65 gems and 15 Oscar and Stardust 7. Okay, and Chakra 6 on 6, but I won't use that probably. And Spherical I got 4. So these are the things which I got. So for opening one more chest, it's just 175. See here also, guys, after buying it, if you have more diamonds, then see the down thing, you'll have to buy it for 175 diamonds only. So I never saw that, but the prize money is cutting over and over, guys, so I didn't like that. So please comment down if you like this trick. So again I'm going to buy. So you can go to something and you can buy. So these are the things which I got now. So I got aqua also now. So see, guys, how many I unlocked, you only see. So for this, I unlocked the STAR, and I unlocked even Chakra, India's thing. Yeah, Chakra, I also took that. So isn't it amazing, guys? So for me it is amazing. So in the powers I got, so I did not know this, I got this Rulity, I don't know what that is, and I'm selecting aqua here, and I have 3 lakh. So first I have 2,60,000 I think. So now I got 46k, and for that and for the third chest they would give 50k. So it's almost under that price only, and other things which we got there so much. And in the free rewards you can collect these all. Every day you can collect the 1 2 3 4 things, and 300 every 2 hours. So I'm telling more things. And in the lucky shot, as you know, every time you might play. So please, again I'm saying, don't use the diamonds for chests. You can watch any video and you can unlock it, but don't do that, guys. Please don't do that. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. And I saw that 79% of you people who are watching my videos have not subscribed to my channel. So please hit that red color subscribe button. Thank you.